Now presenting His Royal Highness King Triton and our esteemed court composer, Horatio Polonius Ignatius Crustaceus Sebastian.
Thank you. I'm really looking forward to this performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and named us well, a quarter and trio. Musical debut. Our seventh little sister, we're presenting her to you. The same as Sebastian knows her voice is like a bell. She's our sister,
Ariel!
Oh, Flounder! Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life? Whoa! Cool! How do I look?
Ariel, what's that you're hiding? No, you went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child!
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
But if you would just listen...
I'm never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
If only I can make him understand. I just don't see things the way he does. I just don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's it's and what's it's galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet! Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along. What's that word again? Street, up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wander and free. Wish I could be part of that world.
Hey there, boy. Yeah, I know. I had to escape all that marriage talk. It's just... I just haven't met the right girl yet. Believe me, boy. She's out there somewhere. I just know it. Okay, boy. Hey, wait up!
Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah! Oh no! Ah! The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
I dream about going up here.
No, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me. They work all day, they slave away, while we demand to put out to the ocean under the sea. But the new play the flute, and the cop play the apple, and the bass play the bass, and the sounding shop. Now the bass play the brass, the bishop play the top, and all that blowfish blow. Ariel, tell me, what is better than all this?
Oh, Sebastian, you just don't understand.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh! Oh no! Big finish! Under the sea! When there's a team, begin the meeting, it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of fun! We got a hot crustacean band! These little crab here know how to jump you under the sea. These little slut here cuts in a run here under the sea. These little snail here know how to win here. That's why it's hotter under the water. Yeah, we get lucky down in the back here under the sea. Oh man!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has weakness after all. Blossom, Jetsam, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
The sea witch?
No, angel fish. You're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss. The kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can I?
You'll have your looks, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on, you poor fortunate soul. Go ahead. want to cross a bridge twice, you've got to pay the toll. Take a thunder, take a breath, and go ahead and start the scroll. Jackson, Jackson, now we're cowboys. The board moves on and on. This poor, unfortunate Beluga, Sevruga, on winds of the Caspian Sea. Larynxus, glaucitis, and max laryngitis, laryngitis. Now sing. Keep singing. Sing.
What's your name? What is it? You can't speak? That's okay. I'm Ariel.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Words. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
Did you hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my. Look like the boy too shy. Gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame too bad? You gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad about not knowing your name. But maybe I can guess. Is it Mildred? No, okay. How about Diana? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel! Hey, that's kind of pretty.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, go to the dawn and listen to the song, the fountain, kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, music, yeah, you got the music, then you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl.
That was close. Too close. At this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tender course. Triton's daughter will be mine.
I have so much to tell you! What would I give to live where you are? What would I pay to stay here beside you? What would I do to see you smiling at me?
She really does love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to live their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel.
Daddy!
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.